Hello, good day. Um, Welcome to Mickey and my craft channel. My name is Hilda. Today I have an unboxing of a Diamond Dotz at home. Actually, I didn't know this came from there because a couple of weeks ago on Facebook, Dothologies offered 30% off, and I didn't see anything of Diamond Dotz at home. So since I love owls, I saw this cutie over there, so I decided to buy it. When I got home, then the box says Diamond Dotz at home. So I'm sorry, Marisa from Kiss My Craft. I wanted to buy it under your code so you can, under your distribution. But I will do that next month. I didn't know about this. So let's get started with this unboxing. This is, like I said, from Diamond Dotz at home. It's an intermediate level, and and on the back it tells you the instructions of how to diamond paint, and over here it tells you the diamond areas. So it's a partial. This is a whole picture, but this is the only area that is gonna be diamond paint. Okay, so let's open. This came through Amazon. We got this, and we got the drills. The kit seems to be inside. We get into that. Well, let's get into it now. So the kits come with a boat, a container with the wax, and a nice stylus pen that it has. It's on silver, and on the top it has like a crystal that looks like, with cushy already, with a cushion for you to use, and some baggies. Okay, so let's put this aside. Let's open it looks like it's not a big diamond paint. Over here it comes with the instructions in about 10 languages. So anyone in the world can do them. The canvas is soft, but it's not like it's a cloth. It looks like it's a mix of cloth, or probably it's a synthetic one. And but it's okay. Over here it says that the fabric size is 40 by 43, and the sign is about 32 by 35. And the title says, "Say what?" Because the owl is kind of, looking sideways. It has the key code on both sides of the canvas, which is good. They have their own numbering system for the drills, and this is a partial. It's a sticky, and over here is okay. This is a partial. The symbols are very clear, even in the dark areas. You can see the symbols in there. It's a nice cutie owl. It's kind of a Azteca style. It's a pour glue. And it's a cutie. I'm gonna be doing this one soon. I did all my owls canvas that I had, so I haven't done one in a while. So let's look at the drills. It's a small one. It's like a snack. Oh, it has AB drills. I didn't check that. Yeah, it has only one AB drill because the ABs are, let's start with, let's see if we can start with number 1. These are nice drills. They don't have any trash. So this is number 1, number 2, number 3, that looks like it's a 310, number 4, number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Eleven, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. I'm working with the daylight today and the top light. And 28. Well, it has 28 colors though. So, and this is the ABs. AB stands for Aurora Borealis. Those of you that don't know, that's a special coating. So actually, it's a special chemical coating. I was trying to look to see if I could do them at home, but it's a big no-no. So it goes to a various process to do this. So, and these are nice, very nice. So it's 28 colors. It's an intermediate. Although at this point, well, I've been diamond painting for a year. Now October is a year. This is a cutie. It says intermediate. I don't know why is the basis for them to give that classification. I would like to know. I find that this, maybe because a small one. This is not my first Diamond Dotz. As a matter of fact, I got interested in diamond painting by a small little tree. Actually, I think it was a kit. And I'll show you when I get one of the advanced Diamond Dotz. I show you the first kit that got me interested in diamond painting. So this is the owl. see if you can see it this way. It's a nice cutie one, intermediate to do in between. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe and the notification bell, and have a wonderful day. Bye.